Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy if you're new here. In today's video, I thought I would show you guys how I customize my iPad. I just updated it to the new iOS 14 and I decided I wanted to switch my wallpaper and reorganize my apps as well as add widgets. I'm going to start off by showing you guys my wallpaper. So I made this wallpaper in Procreate. I just used a paintbrush brush and did different shades of gray and ended off with a neutral color. I have the same wallpaper on my laptop, iPad, and iPhone. I like having a simple background because I used to have like a collage in the back and I just felt like it was too much, so I switched over to this and I really like the white background. This is what my iPad looks like right now. This is the first page. Well, when you open it you see this page first, and then I just have this with everything else that I really don't use. And of course we have the widgets right here. I don't like that you can only see the widgets if it's in landscape mode, but we'll work with it. I'm gonna go ahead and open Procreate so I can start making my new wallpaper. I already have a sheet ready. I'm gonna go to painting and use the wet acrylic, which is I think the same brush I used for my last design. I'm gonna click the black circle up here, and this time I'm gonna do this color right here. Size of the brush. Okay, so I really like this color and I like the size of the brush, so I'm gonna delete that. And this time, instead of leaving a white background, I'm just gonna make everything the brown color. I'm gonna click where it says sketching and then select the Procreate pencil. I'm gonna click the white color. And I'm probably just gonna make a small design. This is a design that I came up with. I saw something very similar on Pinterest and I was kind of using that as an inspiration because I didn't want to use the picture from Pinterest. So I don't know if I like it or not, but we're gonna go ahead and use it. Now I'm gonna save this, so just click this up here, PNG, save image. I'm gonna come over here to wallpaper and change it. This is what the wallpaper looks like. I left a little bit of white on this side, but overall I'm really happy with the way it looks. This is the first page that I have, like I said, and then this is my home screen. I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange the apps into two different screens, actually three. I'm gonna leave this screen and add all the apps that I don't use into this Apple folder. This screen is gonna be anything related to school, and I'm gonna make another screen where I keep all of my YouTube stuff because I normally use my iPad for school or YouTube. I'm not gonna customize my apps because I don't want another screen to open before I actually use the app. So once I separate all the apps into three separate screens, I'm gonna organize them by color. I'm done rearranging my apps by color. This is my first screen on the iPad. I started off by using white, then blue, gray, black, and so on. These are apps that I don't really use but I might need, so I have them here. Also, I have my mail, that's why there's this big number here. I didn't touch anything down here. Well, yes I did actually. I moved my mail from this part right here into this Apple folder because I don't really check my mail on my iPad. I do that on my phone. This is my home screen, so it's the first screen that I see when I open my iPad. I have my school stuff here because, like I said, I use my iPad for school and YouTube. So I have all the apps that I use. Obviously GoodNotes is first because that's the main thing I use my iPad for. And then all my YouTube stuff or anything else that I might need for YouTube is on the last page. The last thing I'm going to do is download Widgetsmith to add customized widgets to this side. I'm going to go into Widgetsmith and make the widgets that I want to use. I downloaded this app on my phone and I only added one widget, which was this one. I didn't really see what else they had on here, so I'm going to check out the designs that they have. I'm gonna choose the widget that says day and date because I like to see the calendar. I'm gonna change maybe the font. Okay, I'm gonna go with the New York one. I think that one's cute. I'm not gonna change the tint color or the border color, but I will change the background just to fit my theme. I went with the cream color and the white font. I'm gonna click out of this and press save. There's a large widget, so I'm gonna see what they have here. I'm gonna do custom text. I didn't pick a phrase or quote that I wanted to use, so I'm just gonna write, think about where you'll be 4 years from now, because 4 years from now, hopefully I will have graduated college, and that's just what I'm gonna write. For the font, I'm just gonna keep it the same as the other widget, so New York. The color, actually the tint color I'm not changing. The background color is also gonna be cream, and then no border color, so save that. For the small widget, I'm gonna add a picture. Select that. This is the picture that I'm gonna be using. Go back here, press save. And now I'm gonna add the widgets to my home screen. So I'm gonna press edit, that's down here. I'm gonna get rid of the calendar. I'm gonna keep this one because I just like it. I'll get rid of this. And I actually like looking at this too, so I'm gonna leave that there. Now I'm gonna click this plus button and add my widgets. So I'm gonna go down to Widgetsmith. I'll add my medium widget first. So add widget, and it's down here. I'm gonna move this up. That's the first thing I want to see. This I'm gonna leave at the very bottom. I'll leave this here. I'm gonna go ahead and click the plus button again. Go down to Widgetsmith. Now I'm going to add the small one. Add widget here. And then I'll add the medium one last. Or the large one, I mean. I'm gonna move this up here. Can I move it? There. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this actually. I'm gonna remove that and add the medium widget. Click that. And then there's my quote. I'll click done. This is what my iPad looks like now. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I was tired of looking at the same screen all the time, so I'm happy that I changed it up. That is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.